It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're going to have so much fun because we're drawing a big happy basket full of yummy fruits. Look closely friends. This basket is not just any basket. It's a super friendly basket. It's holding all the fruits nice and tight like a big warm hug. Do you think the fruits are happy inside? Yes, they are. They're all smiling and saying, "Yay, we're in a fruit party." Let me ask you something. If you were a fruit, what would you be? I think I would be an orange, sweet, juicy, and a little bit silly. What about you? Maybe you're an apple that loves to giggle, or an orange that goes round and round and round. Ta-da! Our fruit basket is all done. Look how happy they are. Time to go over our lines, friends. Make them thicker and nicer. Wow! The fruits are getting ready for their big, colourful moment. The basket is saying, "I'm strong. I can hold them all." Look at all the colours. Our basket is full of rainbow fruits. It's colouring time. Let's make everything super colourful. Colour green. What do grapes feel like? They feel like tiny, soft, juicy little bubbles that are always laughing together in a bunch. Colour brown. Why are grapes always together? Because they love being close like best friends forever. And they feel super safe when they are all holding on to each other. Colour purple. All right, friends, now let's colour our grapes. What colour are we using? Yes, purple. Such a pretty and yummy colour. Look at these tiny little grapes, all snuggled together like best friends. They're going, "Colour us, colour us. We want to be shiny and juicy." Grapes can be green, red, or purple, and each colour has a slightly different taste, like nature's little surprise candy collection. Grapes are also used to make raisins and juice, so even though they are small, they are very powerful and useful fruits. What makes grapes special? They are special because they always stay together like a family, and they look like a big happy fruit hug. These grapes look like they are having a secret meeting. Maybe they are planning something like, "Okay, Team Grapes, how do we become the sweetest snack ever?" And one grape is like, "Shh, don't let the apple hear us." Ha ha, so silly. I feel like they are all whispering tiny secrets like little fruit spies inside the basket. I love this grape so much they really love each other. Time for apple. What is the apple doing right now? Oh, it's just sitting very still and feeling super proud of itself, like it is the star of the whole fruit basket. Colour red. Time to colour our apple. What colour should it be? Yes, bright red. A shiny, happy red apple. Let's colour it in nice and smooth. Wow, look at that. Our apple is getting so bright and beautiful. The apple is saying, "Make me shiny, please." Ha ha ha. Okay, apple, we got you. Do you like apples, friends? Are they crunchy? Yes, crunchy and sweet. This apple looks so fresh, like it just came from a tree. Maybe it's saying, "Pick me, I'm ready." Ha ha ha. Look at this orange fruit. Wow, it looks so round and bright, like a little sunshine sitting inside our fruit basket. I think this orange is pretending to be a tiny sun. Ha ha. Colour orange. Now let's colour our orange. What colour do we use? Yes, orange for the orange. That's so funny and silly. Our orange is saying, "I'm round and ready." Do you think this orange is juicy? Yes, super juicy and a little bit tangy. Why do people love oranges? Because they are sweet, juicy and refreshing, and they make everyone feel fresh and happy. Did you know oranges are rich in vitamin C, which helps keep your body strong and healthy? So they are like little health superheroes. Now it's time for our banana. What color should we use? Yes, bright yellow. Color yellow. Our banana is getting so bright. It's saying, look at me, I'm a sunny banana. Ha ha. Bananas love to make us smile. Do you think bananas are slippery? Yes. The banana might say, wee, I'm sliding. So silly. And bananas are so sweet and yummy too. Bananas are one of the fastest energy fruits, which means they help your body feel strong and active very quickly. Color blue. Now let's look at our basket. This basket is so strong and helpful. It's holding all our yummy fruits together. It's like giving them a big, warm hug. Oh, so sweet. The fruits are all cozy inside, saying, thank you, basket, for keeping us safe. Look how nicely they sit inside. No fruits falling out. That means the basket is doing a great job. Do you think the basket is happy? Yes. It's smiling and saying, I love taking care of my fruity friends. So cute. Our basket is making everything look neat, safe, and super happy. Color pink. I feel like this basket is telling a story like, once upon a time, I was empty. But now I am full of colorful fruits and happiness. Ha ha ha, so cute. Maybe it is proud like, I am not just a basket, I am a fruit home. And all the fruits are like, we love our basket house. Everything just feels warm, happy and full of life in this drawing. What makes the basket special? It is special because it brings all the fruits together in one beautiful, colorful place. In real life, baskets can be made from bamboo, wood, or woven materials, making them strong but still light to carry. Did you know baskets have been used for a very long time to carry fruits and food safely from one place to another? Basket is so useful. This basket looks like it is having its own little fruit celebration. Like the banana is dancing, the apple is shining, the grapes are hugging, and the orange is just rolling happily inside. I think the basket is like, hey fruits, stay still please. I am trying my best to hold all your craziness. Ha ha, so funny. It feels like this basket is the leader of all fruits, keeping everything together like a happy team. Look at this basket. I think it is pretending to be a fruit hotel. Like, welcome guests, grapes in room 1, apple in room 2, banana please relax in the corner. Ha ha ha, so silly. And all the fruits are like, this is the best hotel ever. I can even imagine the basket saying, no running, no jumping. Oh wait, you are fruits, you don't have legs. And ta-ta-da, we did it. Our colourful fruit basket looks so happy and yummy. Which fruit is your favourite? I love them all. If you had fun today, don't forget to subscribe and come back for more happy drawings. See you next time, little friends.